I'm sitting at Rasain enjoying my wonderful tea time, having this tea and wonderful freshly made snacks. This is something I always look forward to. Everybody loves tea and snacks in Kerala. There is more excitement to this season, which is about Onam. Onam is a 10-day festival for Kerala people. We have lots of memories of childhood when we used to get excited about floral decoration. It was our biggest outing to collect flowers. We go around hills and areas where we could find wonderful new colors. So everybody wanted to get better than the other. It was like a competition, and we used to, have that excitement of showing other people what we have done. Then children also get excited because on the 10th day, they get a new shirt or cloth. So that is something that we always wait for. So 10th day morning, we always look up to Father bringing this new packet of clothes and he distributes to everyone. Then the most important thing is about preparing this special meal. The meal is the most special part of the day where we invite a lot of neighbors and friends. It's one day we share everything. That is the beautiful feeling of this festival. You invite anyone and just share your beautiful meal. It comes on a banana leaf. There's no limit how many dishes one should serve. It varies depending upon the family or the person who makes it. These days, Onam feast comes from restaurants. So restaurants have tremendous demand for this particular meal. Rasa India itself, we are so busy every afternoon because we have meals with about 30 dishes on a banana leaf. Our chef works very hard, Chef Murli, and this meal is superb. And among Kerala community people, they all have this celebration wherever they are. They all have small associations and get together. This is a big celebration for them every year. Again, main highlight of the event is always the meal. This meal is really uniting all kinds of people. So a lot of people are becoming aware of this meal idea. It's about sharing and giving. It's a big heart meal. Everybody makes big meals for one. So if this meal can unite people, there is something for us to learn from this. So we should focus more on celebrating more festivals, making more meals, because it will bring everybody around us. So I think this is one thing that we should all enjoy and look forward to. And I'm excited because the rains have stopped. And it's the perfect timing. The weather is superb. It's very mild and nice. And everything looks amazingly beautiful. This is the best time to visit Kerala. And if you get a chance, don't miss the Onam feast. If you come to Rasa India, even better. Happy Onam.